Welcome to today's tutorial on how to use regular expressions or regex for web scraping with Python. Regex is a powerful tool for pattern matching, which can help you extract specific pieces of data from a web page. Whether you're new to web scraping or looking to refine your skills, this guide will take you through the essentials and beyond. Let's get started. Before we dive into scraping, we need to install the necessary libraries. We'll be using requests to fetch web pages and Python's built-in re-module for regex operations. These tools are essential for any web scraping task. Let's install them. To begin our web scraping journey, we'll start by making a simple GET request. This will allow us to fetch the HTML content of a web page. The GET request we've just made retrieves the HTML content of a web page. The output shows the first 500 characters of the page. Now that we have the HTML content, let's use a basic regex pattern to extract specific data. We'll start by extracting the title of the page. Here, we use a regex pattern to find the text between the title tags. The re.search function returns the first match, and we extract the content with group 1. Those are not in the text, so let's try with h1 tags. Regex isn't just for single pieces of data, it's also great for extracting multiple data points at once. For instance, we can use it to find all hyperlinks on the page. This is especially useful when you need to gather a list of URLs from a site. Regex is also excellent for validating data formats, such as email addresses. For example, when scraping contact information, you might want to ensure that the extracted strings match the format of an email address. Regex can handle more complex patterns too, like extracting phone numbers in various formats. This flexibility makes regex indispensable for web scraping, where data comes in all shapes and sizes. While regex is powerful, combining it with libraries like Beautiful Soup can make scraping even more effective. Beautiful Soup helps parse HTML, and regex can then be used to clean and filter the extracted text. In real-world scenarios, data can be messy. Regex is great for handling edge cases such as missing or malformed data. Let's see how we can use regex to deal with these situations. Here, we try to extract emails from a string that includes a malformed address. Our regex pattern is designed to filter out such errors, ensuring that only correctly formatted data is captured. This is crucial for maintaining data quality during scraping. That's a wrap. Today, we've explored how to use regex for web scraping, from basic pattern matching to handling advanced scenarios. By mastering these techniques, you can significantly enhance your web scraping capabilities. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our blog for more tutorials and insights. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos about web scraping and data science. As always, you can find a link to a full article in the description. And remember always to use proxies.